guys, Jay here, and in preparation for our upcoming Elite Force event, we're promoting the Elite Force CO2 Blowback Model 1911. And this gun is really great. It has a really nice blowback feature. Awesome. And some remarkable recoil as well. It's one of my favorite CO2 blowbacks. Comes with a 14-round mag. CO2 goes in, tightens up. The slide comes back, locks in nicely with an empty clip. It has three main safeties. It's got your grip safety, your standard safety, and your third. Let's go chrono. Hey guys, we're over at the chrono. Just remember to wear your safety goggles at all times, and I'm really excited to show you the recoil on this 1911. Come on down to 299 Route 22 East, Greenbrook, New Jersey, and check it out. It's definitely a good buy. $104.95, you can't beat that.